Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the ringtone in Android phone. To change the ringtone, what you have to do is go to the settings of your Android phone by just swiping from top to the bottom and then clicking on this gear button. Once you do that, just scroll down and then in the sound option just click on that. Then this screen will open. In here you can click on ringtones, and to change the ringtone you have to click on this ringtone section, and you can select any other ringtone like that just by clicking on the radio buttons in front of the particular ringtone. Or you can also select different. You can even add MP3 audio by clicking on the add button. So you can select any of the name, any of the MP3 file, and then select that file, then click on done. So this is how you can set the ringtones in Android phone. If you like this video, hit like button.